Hi, everybody. As you remember last week, Mrs. Jackson read you this great book about the sun. You learned lots of interesting information about the sun from this book. And this week, our new nonfiction book is Dolphins. Look at the expression on that dolphin's face. Love that. So I want you to stop and think about this a minute. What do you already know about dolphins? And what would you like to learn about them? You can go ahead and stop the video if you'd like and go and tell somebody, or just think about it. Okay, we're going to go ahead and get started. Before we do, though, I'm going to tell you a few vocabulary words that will help you understand this book better. So the first one is ocean animals. Ocean animals are animals that live in salt water or salty water. And pointy means having a sharp tip or end. Flippers are parts of an animal that are a little bit like arms in a way, and they help the dolphins swim. And pod is a group of animals. All right, so to help us really understand these words, this author gives us some great assistance. We have here a glossary. You see these brightly colored words? We have flippers, which means flat limbs, kind of like arms, that help dolphins swim. Ocean, see that word? A big area of deep salty water. Pod, these are the words we just had, right? A group of dolphins that live together. So you're going to find these colorful words inside this book. So the author is really helpful. In fact, I'll give you one right here. See, pod right there. So, of course, authors often give us a table of contents. And here we have a table of contents in brightly colored letters with, of course, the page numbers at the end so we can find that information easily. And this author does something marvelous. We get a diagram. And a diagram is a drawing, or in this case, a photograph that has labels. And you know what labels are because you have used labels in your writing, haven't you? I'm going to read you some of them. So this is blowhole, and here we have the side view of a dolphin, and the blowhole's there, and the top view, so you can actually see what it looks like. It's pretty large, isn't it? And we have teeth, flippers, all these parts of a dolphin. Skin, tail, and here we have an up-close top version of a tail, and fin. And we have eye and ear. So we get lots of information just from looking at this one photograph because it has labels all over it, right? All right. So I'm excited about reading this to you. I'm going to read it to you, a little bit of it, and then I'm going to go ahead and stop, and then we're going to talk about it a little bit. Hello, dolphins! Do you think this dolphin is smiling? What do you think? Dolphins are, there's one of our glossary words, ocean animals. They live all around the world. And as you can see, there's not a lot of light in the ocean. It's pretty dark, isn't it? But there's some light coming from the top. Dolphin skin is smooth and gray. Dolphin teeth are small and pointy. Remember we talked about that before? Dolphins have flippers. And again, that's one of the words we discussed. They breathe air through a hole on top of their head. Dolphins eat small fish. They eat other little ocean animals too. So we're going to stop a minute and think about what you've just learned about dolphins. You can stop the video and go tell somebody or think about it. Okay, ready to go on? A baby dolphin is called a calf. A calf lives with other dolphins in a pod. Remember that word? A group of animals, a group of dolphins. I love this photograph. How do you suppose they're feeling? Dolphins like to swim in the ocean. They play and eat all day. That sounds like what kids do, play and eat all day sometimes. Goodbye, dolphins. So let's stop again and think. What have we learned about dolphins? You can stop the video and go tell somebody and think about it. So I wonder what you're wondering now about dolphins. Are you curious about more things? That's really good. Good readers become curious and want more information. So you can look it up on the internet with your parents' help. You can look at another book. There's all kinds of ways to get new information. I hope you've enjoyed this book about dolphins, and I look forward to seeing you again soon. Bye-bye.